Hello, today we're going to learn about Roman numerals. Roman numerals is a different way to write numbers and it was used a long time ago in ancient Rome and it's been used since then. The first Roman numeral we're going to learn is the letter I, and I is 1, so I equals 1. So if you see an I with a Roman numeral, it's 1. The letter V is the Roman numeral that means 5, and the letter X is the Roman numeral that means 10. So when you think I, it's 1. When you think X, it's 10. And when you think 5, when you think V, it's 5. So that's just it. Those three I, it almost looks like a 1. And that's how you can remember that I is 1. I is the Roman numeral for 1. A V is in the number 5 when you spell it out. The number 5, you see it, that right there, it has a V in it. So when you think of it, you know what? There's a V in the spelled out number 5. So V has to be 5. Now, 10 is X, and you can't think of anything that can remind us of that. So there is no memorization thing. When you think X, it's 10, and that's just what we're gonna do. Okay, one last time. I just want to make sure you'll get it. There's only 3. I is the Roman numeral for 1, V is the Roman numeral for 5, and X is the Roman numeral for 10. And you gotta understand it so we could play kind of a game putting them together in numbers other than just 1, 5, and 10. Let's practice putting these Roman numerals together. What number do you think this is? You see 2 I's and 1 I is 1. So the answer is 2. 2 I's is the number 2. What about this one? What number do you think this is? There are 3 I's. Correct. It's the number 3. Let's try this one. What number do you think this is? We see 2 X's and X is 10. So 10 plus 10 is 20. Great job! So the answer is 20. Whoa, this is a cool one. An X and a V. What number do you think this is? So the X is a 10 and the V is what number? 5. Correct. So what is 10 plus 5? It is 50. Correct again. Now that we've looked at how to put some of these together, I want to tell you about 2 special Roman numerals that are a little bit different. So you're gonna have to just remember these on their own. And the first is number 4. And the number 4 is represented with an I and a V. The I is before the V because 4 is 1 less than 5, which is V. So remember, with 4 it's I, with 9 it's similar except X. 9 is IX.